Hey guys, DaijahMichelle here, and today's video is going to be some of my favorite travel tips and tricks. So my first tip is to buy these magic storage bags. They are literally life-changing. If you're an overpacker like me, they will save you so much stress of trying to fit everything into one suitcase. They're only $8 at Walmart, so I will have them linked down below so you guys can check them out because I just cannot recommend these bags enough. There are instructions on the box as well as on the bag on how to use them, but pretty much you just fill it up with your clothes all the way to the line. And everybody knows the tip about like rolling your clothes instead of folding them, but when you put them in this bag, honestly, it doesn't really matter. So then you're just going to take this little like clip thing and you just seal the bag, and it's just really similar to a sandwich bag, and I normally go over it twice just to make sure that it's nice and sealed. And then you'll see me like roll the bag and push all of the air out. And normally I'll like put my body weight on it to push the air out because I'm not that strong. So yeah, I didn't film it, I don't know why, but yeah, I'll just kind of like put my knees or something on it, or just like all my body weight, and push all the air out, and literally it takes up half the space. My next trick is to pack these Verb energy bars. Traveling can just make you super tired, and these are great to combat that. They have as much caffeine as an espresso, they're only 90 calories, and they're also gluten-free as well as vegan, and I do have a code for you guys to try all 4 flavors for only 95 cents. My next tip is to always carry portable chargers. Another great tip is to put everything in its own bag. It just keeps it all organized, and I really love this one because it's great for your toiletries that are wet because it's water resistant. I love to bring perfume samples instead of my big perfume bottles that are glass. The Neutrogena makeup remover wipes in the singles are literally amazing. I like to bring It's my Ray Ray palette by BH Cosmetics because it literally has eyeshadows, highlights, and contours. It saves so much space in my makeup bag. If you're like me and you collect a shot glass from every place you've ever been, then you know bringing it home is a little bit stressful. So the thing I like to do is wrap it in my fuzzy socks because I don't go anywhere without a pair of these. And I just kind of wrap it up to the best of my ability. And I also will keep it in like the newspaper that the store will wrap it in as well. Everyone knows about neck pillows, but they're not just for airplanes. They're also great when you're in the car on long road trips. So if you watch my vlog channel as well, you guys know I just went on a beach trip. I was sharing a bathroom with 7 other girls, and let's just say these saved me. Definitely always bring shower shoes. So I don't go anywhere without my AirPods, but they do tend to die, especially when you're on a long trip. So I always like to bring a pair of backup headphones, and if you're like me, earphones can kind of hurt your ears after a while, so it's great to have regular headphones as well. Another one of my tricks is to bring an empty spray bottle. This is just an old one that had product in it, and I fill it with water and spray any of my wrinkled clothes, and then you'll see me do this wiping kind of motion, and it literally removes wrinkles. I've shown it to all my friends and we live by it. So that's it for my travel tips and tricks video. I hope you guys found it helpful. If you did, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below any additional tips and tricks that you guys have. Also, I will have this suitcase linked down below for you guys if you wanted to check it out. And I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys.